Hi, I'm Martin here with roadcases.com. We are based out of New York, and we are here at InfoComm 2026. We're a first-time exhibitors, so come check out what we have. So we're very proud of the innovations that we do. We do custom cases. We are made in the USA. We're hand-built. Been here for over 35 years, and we are innovating our website. So as soon as you get one of our road cases, you get a number. You click Track Build, and you get a preview of what your case is going to look like. Here you get all the steps, so transparency for us is very important, especially when we get calls about how long our case is going to take, and we can just look it up through our tracker, see awaiting production, cutting, assembly, finishing, packaging and quality control, and then you can also see when it's shipped. You also have the different notices, so you can know exactly where and when it's going to take place. If you have multiple cases, you can see the status of each individual one. So we're very excited about this. I don't know.